The next task I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to add a new page, because we have missed an important page. I don't know if you spotted this yet, but we have, because we've done some work on online safety. I think online safety is really important. So at this point I'm going to show you, if you put a new page in, how the master structure continues to a new page. And also, if you look, the click here to sign up for newsletter, I've made it red. I'm going to show you how I did that. So I went to the slide master, and on the slide master, if you go to colours, you can go to customise colours. And you've got two boxes here, hyperlink and follow hyperlink. So you can have the hyperlink colour as red. Followed hyperlink is after you've clicked on it, do you want it to change colour? So for example, I could change that to purple, and I could click save. Now, because I already clicked on it, it's gone to purple. So that's adjusted that follow-up link colour to purple, but obviously when I go close master view and start again, it resets. So I might just leave it like that for the meantime, it doesn't really matter. I've got the purples and reds as a theme, so I'm quite happy leaving that the way it is. Next thing, now I'm up on master. So I'm up here on master, and what I'm going to do on master is I'm going to think about adding a new page. Now if I add a hyperlink to a page called online safety, the problem is that page doesn't exist. So I've nothing to hyperlink to. So first of all, I need to go back to the system, and I need to go to the bottom, and I click home, and I go to new slide and add in a new slide. Use the same one I think we used before, title and content, and you've got a blank page at the bottom. So if I call this page now online safety, or online safety tips, whatever you want to call it, if I then go to view slide master, once I'm here at the top, I can right click, so I'll put it at the end actually, I'll right click, copy, and I'll paste a new button. So I'm going to call this online safety. Now we have a bit of a problem now, because all these buttons here can't fit across the screen. So I need to be a bit clever about this. I need to highlight them all. So if you click on them one by one and hold down the control key, or highlight them all at once, I'm holding the control key at the moment, I can click on this arrow and I can shrink each button, and it shrinks the overall size of each button. Let's try that again. This time I'll put an artificial box like that. Not quite sure what I've done there. I think I've copied and pasted them by accident. So I'm just going to start it again. So highlight all these buttons. This one as well. Just goes to shrink again. There we go, it's a bit better. And then I'm going to use the arrow keys to start off with, or just move these buttons so they all sort of need repositioning. So what I might do is quickly move them all over, and I'll start with this button at this end, about there, keep it on the correct line, then this button here, there, and all the rest of them now. Just need to sort of like adjust them, try and keep the spacing the same if possible. It's a bit of a messy job this, but it's getting there, but I'm not happy. If you look at the heights there, I don't think that's at the same height level. It's just a case of spending a bit of time making sure you adjust it and it looks right. There we go. I spend too much time doing this, because obviously what you guys on the computer is working on it. So you get a general idea. That's sort of how it works. When you can sort of like highlight everything, nudge it around, play with them, and then obviously just adjust them in between until you get it right. Now this one, at the end, we need to right click on the button and go edit hyperlink. And again, if you remember, we go to slide by itself and we choose online safety. Okay, you close that, and then if I now go to run the slideshow, all your buttons should still be working the way they intended, but online safety should be a new page added in there.